In this video, I'll take you with me to Paradise Beach Resort in Cozumel, Mexico. We will explore the beach and what they have to offer. If you're cruising here, the moment you step off the ship, you're hit with sunshine, turquoise water, and that vacation vibe. But let's be real, what most of us are thinking is, where's the best place to spend the day? At the port, first stop, duty-free. You have no choice but to walk through. It's rows of tequila bottles, cigars, vanilla, perfume, souvenirs. It's colorful and fun, but if you're like me and your priority is the beach, keep it moving. Once you exit, the port is buzzing. Bars with loud music, shops everywhere, people trying to sell you tours. It's energetic, but it can also feel a little chaotic. Personally, I like to grab a taxi and get out of the port fast. Taxis are lined up right outside. It's about $15 to $20 per cab, so if you're with a group, it's cheap. The ride to Paradise Beach is 10 to 15 minutes. Quick, easy, and you get a glimpse of real Cozumel. Murals, shops, locals on scooters. When you arrive at Paradise, you're checked in by a server who actually shows you around. That's a nice touch. You get your wristband, and from that moment on, you're taken care of. It feels organized and welcoming. The first thing you see is this massive bar backed by a heated pool. And I mean massive. A massive heated pool. It's one of the biggest in Cozumel. The pool has loungers built right in, umbrellas, and a swim-up bar. Honestly, if you're not an ocean person, this pool alone is worth coming for. It's clean, comfortable, and the atmosphere is fun without being overwhelming. Just steps away, you're on the beach. Tons of chairs and umbrellas, so no scrambling to find a spot. The sand is soft, and the water's that beautiful Caribbean blue. Now this is where it's a total win for families. The ocean is packed with blow-ups, giant slides, trampolines, climbing walls. They're not free. You'll need the fun pass, about $18 per person, but kids absolutely love it. And I'll be honest, I saw plenty of adults laughing harder than their kids out there. They've also got kayaks, paddleboards, and parasailing for extra cost if you want more adventure. So you can do as much or as little as you want. Now tucked just off the main walkway is the little souvenir shop, and honestly, it's worth a peek. It's stocked with all the classic beach day finds. You've got colorful t-shirts, hats, flip-flops, tote bags, even handmade trinkets and jewelry. This is a great stop if you forgot something like sunscreen or a hat, or if you just want to grab a keepsake to remember your day. Prices are pretty typical for a tourist spot, but nothing outrageous, unquote. And here's the bonus. When you step out the back of the shop, it opens right into another huge open air bar. So you can shop, grab a cold drink, and head right back to the pool or the beach. Super convenient. Now, let's talk food and drinks. The all-inclusive is $68 per adult. At first, I thought that sounded high, but honestly, it's reasonable. Why? Because you can order as much as you want all day long. I had fish tacos, fajitas, nachos, and fresh guac, and everything was tasty. Drinks were strong, not watered down. Margaritas, piña coladas, mojitos, they'll keep them coming to your chair or the pool. Service was quick, and I never had to flag anyone down. Here's my honest opinion. Pros. $68 is fair for unlimited food and drinks. Whose pool is massive, great if you'd rather swim here than in the ocean. Families with kids will love the water blow-ups. Immediate service and lots of seating. Surveyable bars and even a souvenir shop on site. Cons. Threads is not a secluded, quiet beach. It's busy, especially on cruise days. Fun Pass is extra, so budget a bit more if your kids want the inflatables. So, is Paradise Beach worth it? For me, yes. It's not perfect, but if you want a fun, worry-free day with unlimited food and drinks, a huge pool, and tons of entertainment for kids and adults, it's a solid choice. Just know it's lively, not quiet. But hey, it's called Paradise for a reason. If you've been here, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe as my next videos will bring you to the Mediterranean.